Okay, see question number 30. A is a 3 by 3 symmetric matrix. B is 3 by 3 skew symmetric matrix. X is 3 by 3 matrix, ordinary matrix. Then equation A square B square minus B square A square whole multiplied with X. This is X is equal to O. O is null matrix, 0. Okay. This equation is having infinite solution, no solution, unique solution, two solution, whatever it may be. Okay. Let us find. Okay. See how I am writing. Now, first of all, see what is symmetric matrix. If A transpose is equal to A, then A is called symmetric matrix. Okay. If B transpose is equal to minus B, B transpose is equal to minus B, then B is called a skew symmetric matrix. Both are different. A transpose is equal to A, B transpose is equal to minus B. Skew symmetric, symmetric. Okay. X is ordinary matrix, that we don't bother. Now go for here. See how I am writing. Implies I am keeping. See A square B square minus B square A square is equal to P left hand. Okay. That means see these are matrices means finally complete one matrix will come. Let one matrix P. Okay. Let I am writing. Okay. Now see I am applying transpose. P transpose is equal to automatically A square B square minus B square A square whole transpose. Is it okay? Okay, transpose if you have to find. See, we know very well A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Okay, but AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. This we know. If minus or plus is there, then what we can say? Same thing is going to happen, separation. But multiplication is there means reversal. AB means BA will come. Okay, transpose. Distribution of transpose. Now you see first minus is there. That means what I want to say, see P transpose is equal to A square B square whole transpose minus B square A square whole transpose. Okay, as per this formula. But as per this formula again, this is equal to B square whole transpose A square whole transpose minus A square whole transpose B square whole transpose. Okay, understand? Okay. Now, see how I am changing this. P transpose is equal to P transpose we are doing. See, shall I write B transpose whole square? Same. A power m whole power n is equal to A power mn or A power n power m. Both are same. See, A transpose whole square minus A transpose whole square B transpose whole square. Also, B transpose means minus B will come. Minus B square means B square. A transpose means A will come A square minus A transpose whole square A square. B transpose whole square means minus B square is B square. What is it? You have taken P A square B square minus B square A square. But you have received B square A square minus A square B square. That means this is P means this is minus P. See, after application of once again I want to write P transpose is equal to minus P implies P is skew symmetric. Okay? If P transpose is equal to minus P comes, P is a skew symmetric. See, every skew symmetric matrix determinant is equal to 0. Understand? Every skew symmetric matrix determinant is equal to 0. With skew symmetric matrix, this is P. With skew symmetric matrix, you are multiplying with any matrix and equate it to 0. Then this equation is having infinite solutions. Understand? Why infinite solution? Because P is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix multiplication with ordinary matrix equating to 0 will give infinite solutions. Okay? Answer is A. Let us go for next question.